This is not a traditional advertising agency. It is a local marketing services business built around the moments when a company's brand becomes something people can wear, open, use, display, and remember. In a growing company, marketing may handle events, human resources may order onboarding materials, operations may buy uniforms, and sales may choose client gifts. When every department orders separately, the brand starts to look like 4 different companies. That coordination matters. PPAI research found that 90% of consumers said receiving a promotional product improved their perception of the brand. Nearly 3/4 associated branded merchandise with positive emotions, such as pride, belonging, or gratitude. The process begins by understanding the client's business, not by choosing a product. That means looking at who they are hiring, where are they promoting the brand, which teams need approved materials, what they are sending to customers, and where inconsistencies are making the brand harder to manage. From there, a fully promoted owner can develop a more complete program that may include employee apparel, onboarding kits, event materials, recognition products, client gifts, and online company stores that make approved merchandise easier to order. That wider service mix gives an owner more ways to deepen an account. It also positions Fully Promoted as an ongoing local resource instead of a vendor that is called only when someone needs a box of shirts. One relationship can connect an owner with human resources, marketing, sales, and operations. That creates opportunities to solve different problems throughout the year while helping the client manage the brand more consistently. The value is not in selling more stuff. It's in helping a company show up consistently, then building the system that keeps it consistent as the brand grows.